sensation unseen, a breath of freshness touching every sense I hold. In this quiet corner where stories of life unfold, from tiny seeds so small they could barely be held, now a living sanctuary where nature has dwelt. I walk, I sit, and gently merge with the ground. In every square meter where true peace is found. Oh, this is the true abundance of life, not something to possess, but a soul's delight. Not something to chase or a prize to be won, but something that reveals itself when the chasing is done. Look with a heart that sees for the very first time. Wealth is always here in the rhythm and the rhyme. Stop for a moment, let the freshness just be. The richness of living is finally set free. Not to hold, but to experience the garden reveals itself to me.